In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be a challenge. But what if we told you that a simple 30-minute scenic nature walk could be the key to unlocking a world of mental health benefits and physical fitness gains? Welcome to our latest video, where we combine the best of both worlds, fitness and nature, to bring you a refreshing and rejuvenating experience. Exploring the concept of a scenic nature walk, we delve into how immersing oneself in the beauty of the great outdoors can have a profound impact on mood and overall well-being. From reducing stress and anxiety to boosting creativity and focus, the benefits of being in a natural environment are truly remarkable. This video offers a delightful alternative to mundane indoor walks, catering to viewers who crave variety and a connection to the world outside their four walls. So lace up your shoes, step outside, and join us on this journey to discover the transformative power of nature on your mental and physical health. Choosing the right location. When it comes to embarking on a scenic nature walk, the location you choose can make all the difference in maximizing the mood-boosting and fitness benefits of your outdoor adventure. Picture this: lush greenery enveloping you, calming water bodies reflecting the sunlight, and scenic trails leading you on a journey of discovery and rejuvenation. To ensure you select the perfect spot for your nature walk, consider the characteristics of an ideal location that can enhance your experience. Look for places with abundant natural beauty, such as parks, forests, or coastal paths, that offer a sense of serenity and tranquility. Researching and finding suitable nature spots in different regions can be a fun and rewarding process. Explore local hiking websites, nature apps, or ask fellow outdoor enthusiasts for recommendations to discover hidden gems in your area. Remember to prioritize factors like accessibility, safety, and overall ambience when choosing a location for your nature walk. By selecting the right spot, you can elevate your outdoor experience and reap the full benefits of connecting with nature. Preparing for the walk. Before you set off on your 30-minute scenic nature walk, it's essential to prepare both physically and mentally to ensure a fulfilling and enjoyable experience. Let's dive into some tips to help you make the most of your outdoor adventure. First and foremost, consider the weather conditions and terrain of your chosen location when selecting suitable attire and footwear. Opt for comfortable, breathable clothing and sturdy shoes that provide adequate support and traction for walking on various surfaces. Don't forget to pack essentials such as water to stay hydrated, snacks to keep your energy levels up, sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun's rays, and insect repellent to ward off pesky bugs. To enhance the mental health benefits of your nature walk, consider incorporating mindfulness techniques or breathing exercises into your journey. Take moments to pause, breathe deeply, and immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of nature to promote relaxation and inner peace. By preparing both physically and mentally for your scenic nature walk, you can fully embrace the experience and reap the holistic benefits of connecting with the great outdoors. Exploring nature's wonders. As you embark on your 30-minute scenic nature walk, we invite you to immerse yourself fully in the beauty of the natural world around you. Nature has a way of captivating our senses and uplifting our mood and fitness levels in ways that are truly transformative. Take a moment to appreciate the sights, sounds, and scents of nature that surround you. From vibrant wildflowers swaying in the breeze to the melodic chirping of birds overhead, each element contributes to a positive and enriching experience. Engage all your senses as you walk, observe the wildlife that crosses your path, listen to the symphony of bird songs filling the air, and feel the gentle caress of the breeze on your skin. By tuning into nature's offerings, you can heighten your awareness and deepen your connection to the world around you. Connecting with nature in this way can have a profound impact on your energy levels and overall well-being. The rejuvenating power of nature is boundless, offering a source of inspiration, vitality, and joy that can uplift your spirit and invigorate your body. So, as you walk, Let nature's wonders envelop you and nourish your soul. Mindful movement and fitness. Incorporating fitness elements into your 30-minute scenic nature walk can elevate your experience and enhance both your physical health and connection to the natural world. Let's explore how you can promote mindful movement and exercises while immersing yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. During your walk, consider integrating simple fitness routines such as stretching, yoga poses, or brisk walking to engage your muscles and boost your cardiovascular health. These exercises not only enhance your physical well-being but also encourage a deeper sense of mindfulness and presence in the moment. Staying active and incorporating fitness into your daily routine is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. By infusing movement into your nature walk, you can seamlessly blend the benefits of exercise with the restorative power of nature. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity of exercises based on your comfort levels. Pay attention to how your body responds to movement and honor its needs by finding a balance between challenge and ease. By embracing mindful movement and fitness during your nature walk, you can cultivate a harmonious relationship between body, mind, and nature, fostering holistic well-being and vitality. Reflection and gratitude. As you conclude your 30-minute scenic nature walk, we invite you to take a moment to reflect on the experience and express gratitude for the mental and physical benefits you have gained along the way. Cultivating a sense of reflection and gratitude can deepen your connection with nature and enhance the overall impact of your outdoor journey. Consider journaling your thoughts and emotions post-walk to capture the essence of your experience and preserve the memories of your time in nature. Reflecting on the sights, sounds, and sensations you encountered can help you appreciate the beauty and serenity of the natural environment. Practice gratitude by acknowledging the wonders of nature that surrounded you during your walk and by recognizing the capabilities of your body to move, explore, and thrive in the great outdoors. Expressing gratitude for these gifts can foster a sense of contentment, joy, and appreciation for the world around you. Remember to incorporate moments of reflection and gratitude into your daily routines to cultivate a mindset of mindfulness and appreciation for the blessings that nature and movement bring into your life. By embracing reflection and gratitude, you can infuse your days with positivity, peace, and a deeper connection to the natural world. As we wrap up our 30-minute scenic nature walk journey, let's reflect on the key points discussed and the transformative power of combining nature, fitness, and mental health for overall well-being. By immersing ourselves in the beauty of the natural world, engaging in mindful movement, and expressing gratitude for the gifts of nature, we can enhance our physical health, uplift our mood, and deepen our connection to the world around us. We encourage you to take action and engage with the content by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video to support our channel's mission of promoting holistic well-being through nature and movement. Your support allows us to continue creating inspiring and informative content for our community. For those seeking further inspiration and motivation, we invite you to explore related videos and resources that delve deeper into the benefits of nature walks, fitness routines, and mindfulness practices. By continuing to explore and engage with these resources, you can nurture a lifestyle that prioritizes self-care, connection to nature, and overall wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to continuing to inspire and empower you on your path to well-being.